Hi, I'm Skylar Grosswald Wilson.
I'm Benjamin Strauss.
And I'm Anna Przbilko.
This is our elementary school workshop here at the high school. This time we are doing it for our show Big Fish.
This is our 5th time ever running this. It's a great opportunity for all these kids to come out here, learn one of the biggest dances in our show.
We have kids coming from Franklin, Brayton, Washington, Lincoln.
Also Jefferson.
And it's a great introduction to kids to musical theater and dancing and singing and acting and the fantastical world of theater.
This is a great workshop for 4th and 5th graders. It's a perfect opportunity for them to develop a love of theater and to see what it's like here at the high school and to see if it's something that they would want to pursue.
It's also a great bonding opportunity. It's a pleasure for us getting to work with the youth because from a young age, we've aspired to be at the par of this program and we've aspired to participate in it. So to finally be here and inspiring the next generation is really great.
It's really great to be able to see kids from elementary schools being able to bond with kids from other schools and making friends, really breaking those boundaries that exist between the different elementary schools. It's such a great experience.